My YouTube channel Finastro Cycles. This update for today is not the usual stuff I do on the YouTube for the financial markets. This is a normal stuff I do. So basically, I'm a financial astrologer. My name is Nitin Bandari, and I use astrology as a part of my trading system, which is basic astrology, GAN astrology, and financial astrology. This eclipse is coming on tomorrow at 4:40, 4:22 p.m. tomorrow, 10th June, falling in India at this time. So it will be partly seen in the northwest, northeast of India, not northwest, northeast of the India. So this is a normal general update, and there is a lot of fear mongering near the eclipses, which I have seen many times. So this video is more to give you a relief and remove the fear from your minds and your subconscious minds for the years and ages and multiple time frames. You are hearing the eclipses are bad, they are not good, and so forth and so on. So, in my experiences, go back in the history, and if somebody wants details of the historical eclipses, I can share with them. Send me an email from my website finastrocycles.com, and then I'll share you the details. And go back in the history and check how many eclipses were the bad eclipses when it happened. So these are not really a bad eclipses are not really bad in a real sense. They are the charging points. So basically, those areas of the zodiac, they become charged in your horoscope. And whenever in the future there is a planet, especially sun, transiting to eclipse point, that creates some positive or negative events. So this eclipse, which is on the 19 degree and 47 minutes of Gemini, is falling tomorrow, 10th June. So just I don't give the predictions or forecast for the general reading, but just to give the understanding, this eclipse is not very bad eclipse, as none of the eclipses are the bad eclipse per se. They are just a charging point in the zodiac, and just to give a kind of relief, or just to give the which people which category of people will be affected most with the eclipse in the next 90 days or 45 days. So what you have to see from the day of the eclipse, check what is happening in your life on the 45th day of the eclipse, 60th day of the eclipse, and 90th day of the eclipse. After that, 120th day from the eclipse is also an important day. So this is not the exact days which I told. Give a orb of 2 3 days here and there and see what is happening in your life. So don't be afraid. Don't be too much scared about the eclipses. These are the normal phenomena. It happens 2 times a year, uh, and 2 times a year solar eclipse, and times a year lunar eclipse. So lunar eclipse falls before the solar eclipse. This is always. So we have seen the lunar eclipse on 26th May, and now we are coming for the solar eclipse on 10th June. Then after the 6 months from the day of lunar eclipse, it falls the again next lunar eclipse. So the next lunar eclipse will be 19th November, and the next solar eclipse will be 4th of the December. An important update which came into my experience looking at multiple horoscopes and checking multiple horoscopes of people, and this is my personal experiences also. On the day of eclipse, the event which happens, good or bad, that's very crucial, that's very important. If something good happens on the day of like eclipse, enjoy that energy for next 30 days. And if something bad happens on the day of the eclipse, be cautious for the next 30 days and see what happens to the next new moon and next full moon. So tomorrow is a new moon, sun and moon will be conjunct. So if something good happens, watch what happens when the sun and moon next will be up in the opposition, which is a full moon from tomorrow, which is 14 15 days. And also see after 28 29 days what happens. So this is a general broad guidance about the eclipses. This video I was forced to make because I hear on the social media so much of fear mongering about the eclipses. Do this, do that. Chill, relax. Eclipses don't kill anything. Eclipses don't kill you. Eclipses are a normal phenomena which happens every year two times. So relax. Uh, just live a normal life and don't do too much of fear mongering about the eclipses. Yeah, those one thing I would like to again point out that eclipses are like when eclipse happens, just to give you understanding why in the why the pregnant woman or is not supposed to come out during the eclipse time, or why it is said that you should worship or you should chant or you should do some kind of meditation during the eclipse time, or you should pray. So why it happens? See, sun is the center of our solar system, and all the planets revolve around it. And when moon, uh, which is which revolves around the earth and which completely covers the sun. So the energy of the sun is blocked, and there is a lot of disturbances during those times. That's why it is said that don't do anything during those times, which is still valid. So relax, chant some mantra. If you don't want to do, if you're busy with the work is also worship. Continue your work. Make sure that on the eclipse day there is no trigger event in your life, and if it happens, as I mentioned, be cautious for next 30 days. uh, Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.